Imagine the potential to cure infectious diseases because of an algorithm. For billions of years, the process of evolution has optimized the sequence of amino acids to suit the needs of the organisms that make them. So we ask, can we use computation to design non-naturally occurring proteins that suit our needs? Join us as we sit down with Mark Hallen and Bruce Donald, where we share an inside look into protein design by provable algorithms.
I had this idea that many other people did too, that mathematics and computer science could really make a difference in how we design molecules. I realized that it was an area that mixed portions of discrete and continuous optimization and reasoning in a way that I was familiar with, having worked in robotics and also nanotechnology. When I realized that we could actually potentially use this technique to make new reagents and new therapeutics even that could actually help humans, that just continued the excitement for me.
The pairwise discrete model captures the most essential aspects of computational protein design, but it falls short for many practical applications. Real proteins have significant continuous flexibility.
What we're trying to do with continuous flexibility is more realistically model how proteins move, and if there's a small molecule, how that moves too and interacts with the protein. In the discrete pairwise model that we talk about a lot in the paper, because it's received so much research attention, you assume that the protein has like this sort of discrete list of states, like geometric states that it can go to. But the problem, of course, is, these are 3D objects. They can move continuously. And what we've found is that those small continuous motions that are kind of smaller than the resolution of the discrete models can really be critical in predicting and correctly modeling the energies and the functional properties of proteins and molecules that they interact with.
Researching provable algorithms not only paves the way for advances, it also gives the opportunity for a broad range of users to participate.
On the discrete pairwise model, we talk about how methods from the weighted constraint satisfaction in the algorithm world have helped to bring in a lot more efficiency for the same model, which of course comes with intrinsically the same level of physical accuracy, because the provable algorithms, like given the model, there is a certain answer, and these algorithms are going to find it. What we talk about a lot in the second half of our review is increasing the accuracy while trying not to make things too much slower.
This tells us really where algorithms research can help. A user of these techniques, even a very sophisticated user or a programmer, basically is choosing where they want to be on that curve. What algorithms research lets you do is move that curve outwards. It sounds like something for nothing, but it comes from the power of mathematics. You move the curve outwards, and then all of a sudden you can simultaneously do larger problems with better models.
Progress is inevitable, and some believe that collaboration among sectors could be the key to further computational advancement.
We made so much progress in the past decade or so in being able to handle the models we have very efficiently, and in the very core computational chemistry world, bringing in some machine learning techniques, bringing in GPUs. And I think there could be a possibility for a lot of this to come together and have really powerful models that have predictive ability that is well beyond what we have today.
What the future holds for provable algorithms is unknown, but participation growth within the field becomes more of a reality each day.
We hope it's a little bit of a call to action. Like if people are inspired by either the applications to biomedical problems or by the cool algorithms, maybe they'd like to work on these problems. And we saw that happen so many times in robotics and AI. We think that it might be time in molecular design where there's a unity between sort of machine learning, computational chemistry, and computer science to move to the next level.
Find out more in Protein Design by Provable Algorithms, a review article in the October 2019 Communications of the ACM.